Welcome to Hybus News. My name is Suresh Kochatil. As the long lockdown tapers off and Unlock 1.0 kicks in, we are seeing a huge upsurge in COVID-19 cases, which is as a result of people going back to the behavior of the pre-COVID days. Violation of social distancing norm by crowding in markets and public areas, disregarding advice to wear mask are all now causing havoc, and there's a huge spike in the number of people afflicted with COVID-19. With a view to draw the attention of people to make this behavior in a post-COVID world compliant, Niti Aayog has launched a behavior change campaign as India Unlocks. The campaign aims to provide people with prompts and reminders along with simple, easy to practice ideas of designing their environment in such a manner that practicing these behaviors become easy. The government think tank launched this behavior change campaign called Navigating the New Normal in partnership with Melinda and Bill Gates Foundation, Center for Social and Behavioral Change, Ashoka Universities, and the Ministries of Health, Women and Child Development. The campaign focuses on COVID-safe behaviors, especially wearing a mask during the unlock phase of the ongoing pandemic. Developed under the guidance of the Empowered Group of 6 on COVID-19 constituted by the Union Government, the campaign has two parts: a web portal containing resources informed by the behavior science and the use of nudge and social norms theory related to COVID-safe behavioral norms during the ongoing unlock phase. The second is the media campaign that focuses on wearing of masks like this. Niti Aayog CEO Amitabh Kant said that as India unlocks, one of the key worries is how we should encourage public and institutions to practice COVID-safe behaviors. Until a vaccine becomes available, wearing of masks along with practicing hand hygiene and social distancing will be important to slow down the spread of novel coronavirus. The campaign aims to provide people with prompts and reminders, as I said before, and these are simple practices and has become very easy to implement. Developed in consultation with the Union Health Ministry and other stakeholders, the website of this particular campaign aims to increase public participation by engaging CSOs and NGOs. It will, over a period of time, become a repository of strategies and collaterals to practice COVID-safe behaviors in different sectors. It aims to provide open source access to anyone, including CSOs, NGOs, the public, institutions, Anganwadi workers, or district administration with tools for this. With the availability of this information, institutions and civil society organizations can plan to resume their normal activities while practicing COVID-safe behaviors. Our future is dependent not on the virus, but on our behaviors. If we create the distance, wear mask, or use a barrier like a vaccine, the virus cannot spread. The special areas of concern are small factories and poor laborers, who comprise a large part of the vulnerable group population, where and whom these messages must penetrate. Campaign was launched in the presence of Mr. Paul, Mr. Amitabh Kant, Principal Scientific Advisor K. Vijayaraghavan, BMGF Country Director Hari Menon, noted lyricist and CEO and CCO of McCann Bold Group India, Prasoon Joshi. Senior officials of Niti Aayog, Ministry of Health, Family Welfare, and BMGF were present at the occasion. As many as 92,000 NGOs and civil society organizations working with the Niti Aayog too participated in the virtual launch, which was done by way of a webcast. The portal focuses on easy implementation of 4 key behaviors in the unlock phase, as was said before: mask wearing, social distancing, hand hygiene, and not spitting in public, which happens in almost every Indian city. The website will have sector-specific collaterals and guidelines for health, nutrition, public transport, especially in metro cities where we use a huge amount of public transport. For the focused mask-wearing campaign, the media will be utilized to establish the correct way to wear the mask. Undoubtedly, this measure has become a big difference in the fight against COVID-19. For example, how is the mask worn? This is a triple layer mask, and it should be worn with a perfect way to wear it and over your nose. It can't be like people have a fashionable thing of pulling down and doing that. No, this particular mask has to go over your nose, sit tight, and mask should not be touched once it is worn, because you will actually carry the virus a lot more. I will take it off right now because I need to speak, but just remember that when you wear a mask, it need not be a triple layer mask like this. This can be worn only when you reach a hospital or a medical institution. But when you're in public, even a good cloth mask will be good enough. Countries such as Japan and South Korea have made mask wearing a socially accepted norm, and this has been there even before the COVID-19 had struck. The mask wearing campaign is designed by the Melinda and Bill Gates Foundation in partnership with the McCain World Group. Let us see how things pan out from here, because we Indians usually have short memories. We say, oh, it's all fine, and we can walk out without following all those what we are following now. We saw that during lockdown, we were very strict with ourselves. But as soon as the lockdown was removed, people just have gone out and spread the virus. Let's ensure we don't do that. Let's follow the basic norms. Thank you for watching.